Yo, what's up? So this video I'm going to show you how you can make a 3D model of image and import that into the Blender or Unity, like make an animation or game with it, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be so easy and it's going to be so fast. The website is Meshy AI. I think it's free. For a start, you don't need to pay anything. So right now, I'm gonna log in to my account. So as you can see, there is a lot of model in here. We can text to 3D, image to 3D, AI texturing and voxel, but we only want to make our image to a 3D object. So we're gonna select that and we're gonna select our image. I think that one is good and we're gonna wait. So we can choose a license, we can rename the name of that image. Yeah, I'm gonna go and click the generate and we need to wait. It's so fast, you know what I'm saying? In between 1 or 2 minutes, it's gonna give you a whole 3D model with the texture and everything, and that's so amazing. So yeah, it's generating. Oh, I'm seeing like good model. So yeah, as you can see here, we have a 4 model and they are quite impressive because they are high quality 3D model, you know what I'm saying? We need to select one of them. I think that one is good. And after we select the one, we need to confirm generation. So it's gonna basically give us a texture. So we need to turn on that generate texture section and press confirm button. And we need to wait to this tool make a texture for us. As you can see here, there is our 3D model. It's very impressive and good actually because like this tool make this 3D model for us for free and so fast. You're gonna save a lot of time on a visual thing on your game with that tool. After that, we're gonna download the 3D model with the format we want. We can download it with the FX format, and after that, we're gonna go and drag and drop the file into our project in Unity. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Yeah, you can help me with your subscribe and likes, and yeah, have a nice day.